Fast-charging lithium-ion batteries are in high demand for portable electronic devices and electric vehicles. However, import of lithium titanium oxide and anode material for high-power LIB application makes the batteries costly. Plus, the complicated process of synthesizing this chemical makes things more difficult. Now, researchers working at the Center for Nanomaterials of ARCI Hyderabad, an autonomous institute under the Department of Science and Technology, have developed a simpler method to produce LTO which can make the lithium-ion batteries less costly.
The battery cost, it is very expensive. It is nearly 1/3 of the cost of electric vehicle. So since we are importing battery from abroad, that is the reason the electric vehicle cost is high. If we want to make that the indigenous material, and if we use that material for battery, then we can bring down the cost of the battery, that it will reflect in the cost of the electric vehicle. So ARCI is developing a material which can be used in the lithium-ion battery. So not only lithium-ion battery, supercapacitor. Unlike importing material from abroad, doing battery fabrication, there again the cost is, it will be high. What ARCI is doing, developing a cost-effective process to synthesize cheaper battery material that can be used in that battery, so that we can decrease the cost of the battery.
Lithium titanium oxide has emerged as a superior anode material for high-power lithium-ion batteries due to its thermal stability, excellent life cycle, and safety. Using titanium dioxide and lithium carbonate as precursors, ARCI team has developed a simple, economical, scalable, and energy-efficient technique for the production of LTO anode with improved electronic conductivity. LTO anodes exhibit recharge efficiency exceeding 98% compared to the other carbon-based anodes and have a life cycle of 20,000 cycles. These can endure temperatures ranging from -30 degrees to 55 degrees centigrade, making them highly suitable for difficult weather conditions in India. The high-energy milling method developed by ARCI makes them more economical.
ARCI has embarked a technology for production of lithium titanate and anode material for fast-charging lithium-ion battery for tropical Indian climate. The technology has been successfully developed at ARCI and validated at the device level. Further, the technology has been patented both in India and abroad. With this development, we are able to offer an indigenous, cost-effective technology for production of high-performance anode material for lithium-ion batteries, which also has long cyclic stability.
Although the use of electric transport is being promoted to save the environment from pollution, yet there is a dearth of economically viable electric vehicles. The cost of such vehicles increases with high power and high performance batteries. The zeal of ARCI scientists to develop indigenous technologies for high capacity, fast charging and long-lasting batteries will definitely make electric vehicles economical in the future.